In this video we will be using CorelDraw to create a simple calculator icon. We start by importing a bitmap that we will use as a guide. Using the rectangle tool we draw the basic shape of the calculator and buttons. We then use the pick tool to make the corners rounded. We don't make all of the buttons as we will be copying the ones we have made. We copy a button by clicking a button with the mouse and dragging it to the new position. Before releasing the mouse, click the right mouse button to make a duplicate. Holding down the Control button keeps the duplicate level with the original. Pressing Control R repeats this. We then use the View menu to enter wireframe mode. This lets us see the lines and shapes we have created with great accuracy. Pressing F4 zooms out so we can see the whole drawing. F3 lets us zoom in. We now drag our drawing away from the bitmap and give it an outline. We delete the bitmap, group our new objects and press P to center on the page and then ungroup the calculator. Using the Align and Distribute panel lets us adjust the spacing perfectly.